Yeah, I've just been making these and I thought I'd just come on just to show you. I'm gonna make the last one just to show you how they look like. So these are accessories that you put on your bracelets, and I just thought instead of buying them I can make them myself with jump rings, chains, and oh geez, where's the other? Oh yeah, these things here. That's all you need. A bit of chain, jump rings, and these things. They're like spacer beads. Yeah, so I've got some gold and got some silver ones, and also some charms as well, of course, and that's it. And I don't have a bracelet to show you that exactly has that type of stuff. I've got something similar, but not really, but basically, you know, it's gonna look something with the chain similar to that. But what I can do is just quickly pop some beads on here just to show you quickly. How it looks like. But yeah, I was planning on making some bracelets and I thought it would look nice with some of these. So you put one end like that, and then you put a few more beads. Like that. And I'll just put a few more here. There we go. So it looks like that. So that's really cute. And if you can just imagine it, you know. But yeah. So you can, you know, you can do your silver, you can do your gold. I made this cute one here. You know, if you're a silver person, you can add your silver beads. These are you can use glass beads, resin, crystals. These are mixed crystal beads. Oh jeez. There we go. Wow, how cute is that? Alright, so just very quickly. I haven't really been active on YouTube because I've been focusing on getting my TikTok up, but now I'm going to put my focus back on YouTube because I've been having a TikTok channel. You end up going shopping on the TikTok lives, and it's ending my ass broke. I'm not saving as much as I used to. So I think I'm going to give my TikTok a break and just focus on my tutorials or my haul videos back on here, so it gets me off TikTok so I can start, you know, I've got enough things. I don't need to keep buying things. I need to start selling more things. So that's where I'm at the moment. But anyway, I just, yeah, I'd like to apologise to anyone that's wondering why I haven't been active. But anyway, let's get back to this. So I'm gonna need, so I've got the charm that I'll be using, the two jump rings, the chain. I've already pre-cut them, and now I just need these two gold spacer dangles, or whatever you call them. These, the way they're done is you put them through an elastic band and hang a chain off them. A jump ring for a dangle. So it's very, very, very simple. So get your jump ring and open it up. So first you put your chain. You can put a charm on each side, but I think it looks better just putting it on one side. It's tricky because these chains are really narrow. So there you go. And then I'm gonna hold it on this side because I'm gonna put that on that side, and then I'm gonna close them up. Like that. So I've got one side done. So now I'm gonna do my other side, and it's a bit tricky because look how I'm using the smallest jump ring. So on the smallest jump ring, I'm gonna have to thread the chain, this and that on them. So you're gonna want to open it up pretty wide to fit them all in. So first thing we'll put that on the back one, and on the front one we'll put the chain first and then the charm in front of the chain. Okay. Alright, so we got the chain on. Now we're gonna put the butterfly. Now we're gonna close that up. There we go. And we're done. We've just made our other little dangle. Oh, there it is. I won't put the beads on, but just to show you. There we go. So yeah. So I've made 3 of each. I've made this one. And then I've made this one. This is a very blingy one. Could imagine that hanging off a bracelet. That'll look pretty. Maybe my next tutorial will be making a bracelet using one of these. And this is another one. And here's another one here. Got a cute little elephant and bunny for Easter. Got a cute little bunny. Also, I sell a lot of these as well. Like I make crystal bracelets and all sorts of things. My link's in my bio if you want to check out my eBay channel. Sell crystals, jewelry, beads. Yeah, so yeah, hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Bye.